In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Commonwealth card on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you wish to pay with your phone using the Commonwealth app and the Commonwealth card attached to your account, you will be able to do so after you set up a feature called Tap and Pay. This feature is available on the latest version of the Commonwealth mobile banking app, so if necessary, open up the Play Store or the App Store and update the app to access Tap and Pay. You will find it at the top right corner of the home screen, so as you can see on the picture that I'm showing you, this option is what you need to select. If you do not see this little phone icon at the top right corner of the home screen after you sign into the app, you are not going to be able to use your phone to pay. So keep that in mind. You can only use your card on your phone if you see this little phone icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when you tap this option, you will be given instructions on how to enable and use Tap and Pay. To use your Commonwealth card on your phone, you have to select the specific card that you would like to add to Tap and Pay in order to pay using your phone and tap Next at the bottom. Once you select the specific card that is going to be used, you will be able to choose the tap style. Wake and tap is the most straightforward one, where all you have to do is wake your phone screen and tap your phone on the terminal to pay. You also have unlock and tap, where you need to unlock the phone first, so not only do you need to wake it up, you have to input your password and then tap the terminal with your phone. And you have the last option, which is the most amount of security possible, where you have to unlock your phone, open the Commonwealth Bank app, and after you open the app and tap your phone into the terminal, you will be able to pay. Regardless of which option you choose, as long as Tap and Pay is enabled with a Commonwealth card attached to it, you will be able to use your Commonwealth card on your phone. Just make sure that you see this option at the top right corner of the home screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Commonwealth card on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.